All right, for Sunday, I did not do anything besides sleep all day. Let's just get to Monday. My company obviously does not like me. I'm going to upstate New York. All right, guys, so I'm going on a far load, so I might not make it.
Okay.
Do you just fart on me?
Oh, my Fiona.
All right, upstate New York, here we come. Where I'm going is 14 degrees, but feels like -8. Yay! But it's windy, it's cold, there might be some ice or some snow. Drive slow, and we get there when we get there. The good news is I only have to do this for another 40 years. Yay! First stop. Second stop was canceled. 68 cents times 710 plus 50 equals easy money. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.